What's going on, my friends? In this video I'm gonna share with you iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 13 mini versus each other, guys, and we're gonna check the speed test on three main apps, popular apps: Geekbench 5, Geekbench ML, and the TotalBench app that's checking everything, the CPU, the GPU. We're gonna go into each individual result through this video. So let's start with Geekbench 5. And let's wait for the iPhone 13 mini to load it. CPU and 1, 2, 3, starting the Geekbench speed test. Okay, we got a score, the single core score 1726 and the multi-core score 4657. The 12 mini is 1592 and 4075, guys. This is the result for the Geekbench 5. Now let's just check the next Geekbench ML app that's also checking the CPU, and let's see who is faster and by how far. So let's wait for the result. Okay, the 30 mini just finished. 927 CPU score, guys. 927. Let's see right now the 12 mini 874. Now, guys, let's check the main app, a total benchmarks, and let's see what's gonna be the result after everything. 1, 2, 3. Let's start again the result. All right, let's see what's gonna be the result and who's gonna be faster. Okay, we got a result over here. 732,774 on the 13 mini, and on the 16 668,865. And let's see the CPU individually. CPU 208, CPU on the 12 mini 179, CPU and GPU on the 13 mini 262, and on the 12 mini 258. MEM 133, 107, 128, 123. So you got to is faster, and also the battery of the 13 mini I really recommend versus the 12 mini that I had one full year. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Please give a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech helpful video. Thank you, bye.